all of us in for house. That was COVID era. All of us in for house. The only people who can walk now health workers and people with sew clothes. Unfortunately for us, for Calabar, everybody start to sew clothes. Because they get these stitches, that stitches, that stitches. Everybody they sew nose masks. Now, how you want to sell the nose mask will be problem. I passed for one market as the first one morning. I hear somebody shout, your sweet nose mask, your sweet nose mask. Oh, because he wants it. And the most impressive part now where the young people come enter the warehouse. As they enter, the parties. As one pregnant woman is struggle to pass her carry. How come they can't play peace? And that's the day when they shout, when next, they shout psychiatric hospital. Everybody run, they go there. They teach 3 mad people for psychiatry. They teach drugs. They carry things, carry chair. Even till now, they still buy chair for psychiatry. They go shout, when next, they shout, island office, target. Everybody land for island office. In not reach 20 minutes, they clear island office. 2 guys when they run come as last people, they don't see what they do carry. Trust Nigeria, they must carry something. As you don't look, you see back, he make up. The other guy don't look, you see the island chairman award, he computer. Make you know like say, he go, he don't see what he do carry. You don't shout, when next, they shout, IDA. Where is IDA? Infectious Disease Hospital. People rush go, they carry machine when they their own. They carry mattress, they carry pillow. The one wey come bring me past now when I see one mature man, he dey come with 2 clutches to run past me. Now I go back come back. Wetin dey carry clutches go? He tell me loco. You don't understand the way they call Kidnap. It means next year now my sister get accident with no white clutches we use this one. Ladies and gentlemen, you know say this town we did a very nice town. Calabar na very sweet place. So when I did Calabar, I did enjoy the place. One of my guys for hospital, as we did hospital, if mama no well, now they come, doctor won't come, he come rich, the guy get very nice voice. As he comes say, doctor, you say wetin do my mother? They say your mother no well. He look doctor, and they give you 2 weeks. If my mother no dey okay, he go see wetin I will do you. He come out. Their family house na Catholics dey be. As he enter house, he see picture of Jesus, picture of Mary. As he pass, he come back. My mother dey hospital. You dey smile with your mother. And I give you 2 weeks. If my mother no dey okay, you go see wetin I will do you. He come out. 2 weeks later, he go hospital. The mama no dey okay. Now he go back house. He look the picture of Jesus. When I read tell me Jesus and the joke. See wetin I want to do. He carry Mary picture. He go inside the room. Come on. I don't kidnap your mother. Make it no heal my mother. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Okay.